don't even know what that word means, keeping it real. They say it, but they don't know what that means. I hear a lot of things. Right, shit.
This is on limited features.
Good brother Mo.
So, sitting here on the late shift as usual, you know what I'm saying? Brainstorming and doing what I do. I like to say best. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, I got a little fan blowing up in here, man, but you know, brain stimulation is something else, man, and you end up exercising that main muscle. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, when you exercise that main muscle, that stimulates things and bring things about, you know what I'm saying? And like conversation, you know, dealing with cause. And it was real stiff, you know what I mean? Like, that's a real deal. Like, cause, you know what I'm saying? Like, what is your cause? Situation was choosing the cause, you know what I mean? And, you know me, man, I'm just like, you know, like, why I gotta choose a cause? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm all about the cause, you know what I'm saying? Like, what is the cause, man? The cause is life, you know what I'm saying? Like, really, that's what this is all about, man. Some people who we say powers that be, which I still don't understand that shit, but, you know, they done strayed us away from life, from our cause as much as possible over years or centuries or whatever you want to call it. I'll give me a piece of peppermint. Peppermint water all night long. But yeah, you know, so really there you have it. I mean, it's really a wrap. But life is the cause. The cause is life. Maybe I'm tripping. Let me know. Good brother moment, you know. So, cause is to simply be what is genetically encoded through generations and generations, man, back to what we tend to call the beginning. So, wherever life started, cause started, and that's what it is. So that's why I always say, man, take that shit off, you know what I'm saying? Like, get naked, man. You know what I mean? Take all that excess shit off, man. I done said it in videos before, man. We put too much on our own heads, man, off the top. You know what I'm saying? Like, off the top, we put too much on our own domes. You know what I'm saying? And we let everything weigh us down, and then we just sit down with that shit on your shoulders, you know, just pushing your back down to your chest, touch your knees, man. Like, that's a lot of that shit on us, man. You know what I mean? Like, come on, man. Y'all ain't crazy, man. We ain't crazy. Shit, we ain't crazy, man. We know we lacking in a lot of areas as a whole. Like, I was watching cat. I just got turned on to this young cat, man. I don't know if the nigga young, but King Face, man. Yeah, excuse me, man. I'm talking and got this peppermint in my mouth. But I'm watching King Face. He chopping it up with my son. However you say that cat name. Cat folk out there from New York, and You know, they debate woo to woo to woo. And he was saying the same thing, like choices, man. Like that's real, bro. Even like niggas clown Kanye when he said slavery is a choice. Or was a choice, whatever the nigga said. I felt the nigga. Because that's a mental thing. We understand all that other extra shit, which man, I don't even know right now. That's a whole nother video, but we don't even know if it really went down like that yet. Yeah, they got plenty of evidence and all that shit, but they didn't have plenty of evidence of all this other bullshit they done told us. So, like I said, we'll say that for another video. But mentally, it's a choice, man. It's a choice to be slumped down with all that shit on your back, man. And a lot of us done fell victim to it, you know what I'm saying? But that's part of the process of growing. If you growing, if you don't let that shit just weigh you all the way down. You know what I'm saying? Bench press that shit. Push that shit up off you, man. Break that shit down, man. Get simple, man. Get small. Get skinny, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of shit we just don't need that we be on. You know what I'm saying? So now I got a better chance at holding something or catching something that can potentially fall. It could potentially knock a nigga off the square or something. Because I ain't got so much shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't worried about so much other extra shit, man. Life didn't come with all this extra shit. All this extra shit came into a nigga life. What's your cause, man?